Finding the best fishing rod and reel combos is not just about catching fish, it is about creating moments that stay with you forever. Imagine calm water, quiet air, and the thrill when the line moves. The right combo builds confidence, reduces frustration, and turns every trip into a memory worth sharing. Whether you fish to relax, bond with friends, or escape daily stress, choosing wisely can transform ordinary days into powerful experiences that make you want to return to the water again and again. Number 1. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Bronze Warrior Tour IM6 Carbon Matrix Telescopic Fishing Rod Pole brings quiet confidence to every water moment. Each cast feels calm, steady, meaningful, helping patience grow while stress fades away. Early mornings become peaceful rituals where focus replaces noise and simple joy returns. This setup supports beginners' learning balance while giving experienced anglers renewed trust during long sessions. Travel plans feel lighter because preparation becomes effortless and expectations rise naturally. Freshwater trips turn into stories worth remembering, shared through smiles rather than words. Smooth motion creates control, reducing tension and encouraging longer stays near rivers or lakes. Connection with nature feels closer, deeper, more personal. Choosing this companion is not about equipment alone, it is about valuing time, emotion, and quiet achievement. Moments gained feel rewarding, honest, lasting, inspiring future adventures without pressure or doubt. Number 2. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Pole with Reel Combo Sea Saltwater Freshwater Kit Fishing Rod Kit speaks to people who chase peace through water. Every outing feels like a pause from pressure, where hands stay busy and thoughts slow down naturally. Casting becomes a gentle habit that clears the mind and rebuilds patience. Shorelines feel welcoming, waves feel familiar, and time seems softer during each session. This companion supports journeys from quiet lakes to open coasts, helping confidence grow without effort. Beginners feel encouraged instead of overwhelmed, while seasoned anglers rediscover excitement they once missed. Packing for trips feels simple, allowing more focus on moments that matter. Choosing this setup is choosing calm mornings, meaningful evenings, and memories shaped by nature. The desire to return again grows stronger after every experience, creating a lasting bond with fishing itself. Number 3. Goture Fishing Rod and Reel Combos 2 PCs. Goture Fishing Rod and Reel Combos 2 pieces Telescopic Fishing Pole 2 pieces Preloaded Spinning Reels with Carrier Bag 1.8 meter to 2.7 meter Telescopic Rod Reel Kit for starter travel saltwater freshwater gifts for men creates a feeling of readiness wherever the journey leads. Trips feel lighter because everything feels thoughtfully prepared. New anglers feel welcomed instead of confused, allowing confidence to grow with every cast. Travel days become exciting since fishing no longer feels complicated or heavy. Quiet mornings by water turn into personal escapes where stress slowly fades. Time spent outside feels richer, calmer, more meaningful. This setup fits moments shared with friends, family bonding, or peaceful solitude after busy weeks. The experience feels reliable, comforting, and motivating, encouraging longer stays near shores. Choosing this kit means choosing balance, simplicity, and emotional reward. Each outing strengthens the desire to return again, creating memories shaped by patience, nature, and genuine enjoyment. Number 4. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon. PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Pole with Reel Combo Sea Saltwater Freshwater Kit Fishing Rod Kit connects people to peaceful moments beyond routine life. Standing near water feels calming, where silence replaces noise and patience slowly returns. Each trip offers a chance to breathe deeper, think clearer, and enjoy simple movement through casting. Travel feels easier because preparation no longer creates stress or doubt. Beginners feel encouraged while learning, discovering confidence without pressure. Experienced anglers feel refreshed, finding lost excitement during long sessions by shorelines. Time outdoors becomes more meaningful, turning short breaks into valuable escapes. Nature feels closer, emotions feel balanced, and focus improves naturally. This choice supports personal freedom, quiet joy, and memorable days shaped by sunlight and water. Returning home feels lighter, carrying satisfaction instead of fatigue. The urge to plan another outing grows stronger, driven by comfort, trust, and the emotional reward fishing brings. Number 5. BlueFire Fishing Rod Kit. BlueFire Fishing Rod Kit Carbon Fiber Telescopic Fishing Pole and Reel Combo with Spinning Reel Line Lure Hooks and Carrier Bag Fishing Gear Set for beginner adults. Saltwater freshwater invites people to slow down and reconnect with themselves. Time near rivers or coasts feels healing, where worries fade and breathing becomes steady. This experience brings comfort to busy minds and creates space for quiet happiness. New anglers feel relaxed while learning, free from fear or pressure. Every trip turns into a small escape that refreshes energy and improves mood. Packing feels easy, travel feels exciting, and preparation feels natural. Moments shared outdoors grow into meaningful memories that last longer than the day itself. Choosing this kit is choosing calm mornings, gentle sunsets, and emotional balance. Nature becomes a companion rather than a challenge. Each outing builds confidence, patience, and appreciation for simple joys. The desire to return grows stronger, guided by peace, satisfaction, and the promise of another rewarding day by the water.